Hello, all my dear viewers, very warm welcome in my YouTube channel English Junction by JJ. Today I am going to explain you class 7th chapter Northeast India from your book English Junction, publication Orient Black Swan. If you want the explanation of further chapters from this book, please touch the I button mentioned in the right top corner. You will get the explanation of further chapters from this book. So let's read the first question. So the first question is from a comprehension A. Answer this question is, what is a Telangana and who practices it? The answer for this question is, Telangana is a code of a good values and it is a practice by the people of Mizoram. This is the answer for this question. The second question is, how is Cheros performed? The Cheros, the answer for this question is, the Cheros is performed with bamboo's poles. Young performers sit face to face on the ground and tap long pairs of bamboo poles open and close in a time with a rhythmic beats. Young women dressed in a traditional clothes dance in and out between the bamboo. This is the how Cheros is performed. The answer for this question is. So the next question is, why are the paddy fields and tea estates of Assam so green and lush? So the answer for this question is, they are green and lush because many snow-fed rivers and streams flow down the slopes of the Shivaliks and feed them. So the next question is, what do the Assamese use cane and bamboo for? So the answer for this question is, they use them for a range of things from household items and such as baskets to the makings of musical instruments and even the constructions of homes. This is the answers for this question, why do the Assamese use cane and bamboo for? So the next question is, where can the great Indian hornbill be found? The answer is very easy. It can be found in Nagaland. This is the answer for this question. So children, next question is, why is the Hornbill Festival celebrated? Why they are celebrating the Hornbill Festival? So answer for this question is, it is a window into Nagaland. It is a window into Nagaland, a way to experience the way of life and traditions of this state. In that festivals, they are just showing their traditional values and all. This is the answer for this question. So the next question is, why is the Hornbill Festival celebrated? Again it is this is the next question from comprehension B. It is from a comprehension B. Mark these sentences that are true or not true. Rewrite these sentences that are not true in a notebook. So first you have to mark it is true or not true. If it is not true, then you have to write the correct sentence. What should be the correction you have to make in that sentences. So first is not true. As I written here, in below the question I'll just written the answers: true, not true, true, not true. If you can see on my screen, then you can see. First is Chhapcha's Kut is celebrated after the crops are harvested. No, it is not correct. That's why we can write the correct sentence here. Chapchaskut is a festival that is celebrated during the period when the bamboos and the tree in the forest are cut and burnt to clear the land for farming. So second is true. So no need to modify anything, just you have to write T as it is instructed in a question. So people of many faiths and races live together in Assam. True. Bihu is important festival in Nagaland. No, it is not true. NT. It is an important festival in Assam. Bihu. Fourth is each tribe in Nagaland speaks a different language. True. T. The Hornbill festival is thought to be a way for a people to experience the culture of Nagaland. True. So this is a true and false. And the next question is from a comprehension C. Think and answer. The question is, look at the festivals that are celebrated by the people of Mizoram, Assam and Nagaland. What do they tell you about the people and what they value? You have the answer for this question is, it tells us that people who lived here are largely depend on agriculture and that they have great respect for what they do. It also tells us that these are communities that value and honor their history and their heritage. Oh, this is the answer for this question. So, next question is, this is again a grammar part. It is a grammar A. I'm just reading the question. Write the verbs in the bracket in the past perfect continuous tense to make a complete sentences. So we have to change into past perfect continuous change. Word is already given. I'm just written the answer with a yellow color after the question. You can see on your screen. So the first is already given, so I am not writing the first one. I started with the second one. First is already given in your book. The second is they, bracket, in a bracket it is written wait at the terminus for over an hour when the bus finally arrived. Wait change into had been waiting. They had been waiting at the terminus for over an hour when the bus finally arrived. Now the third one is will look for. So we can change will look for into had been looking for. So the answer is we had been looking for her pen drive 2 hours and then we found it under her pillow. Okay, fourth one is I study. So you can change the study one into had been studying. I had been studying for an hour when he called to say that he wanted some help. The fifth one is they were very tired in the evening because they helped. You can change the word help into had been helping because you can change into a past perfect continuous tense. That's why had been helping, because they had been helping on the farm all day. So this is the questions, answers, verbs, grammar A. Now the next is grammar B. Here I am just reading the instructions given in your book. Read these situations and make a sentences from the word in the bracket. So first sentence answer with answers already given in your book. So I am starting with the second one. The two boys came into the house. They had a football with them and they were both very tired. So we have to change how they had been playing football. They had been playing football. They had a football with them, then you have to change it. They had been playing a football. Situations. Read the situation, make a sentences from the word in the bracket. So you have to make a sentences from the word in a bracket. So in bracket the word is they play football, and the sentence will be they had been playing football. Very easily you can make a sentences. Means you have to read the line, you have to understand the situation, and in a bracket the word is already given in your book. From that word again you have to make a sentence related to the situation. Understand? So the third is, everyone was quiet in a class when I realized I was still talking. The word in a bracket we have, I talk in class long time. The sentence what I made is which is written with a yellow color. I had been talking in a class for a long time. This is a sentence that I made from the words in the bracket. The fourth one is, Anne woke up in the middle of the night. She was frightened and did not know where she was. So see and dream, we have the word, I'm just making a sentence, she had been dreaming. The sentence is she had been dreaming. Last one, fifth one is, when I got home, Ranjit was sitting in front of the television. He had just turned it off. He watched television. The answer for this question is, sentence is, he had been watching television. He had been watching television. Okay. This is the question from your book. So children, if you understand my video, please like, subscribe, share and do comment in a comment box. Thank you for watching my video.